Hi, it's Sue here from Inspired Messages Monday. And as you probably know, if you read my last newsletter, which was 2 weeks ago, I'm going to be doing my newsletters once a month. Really, because I think we get so much into our inbox. And if you want to talk to me, you can talk to me about anything, in between my newsletters. And today is the 1st of April, so it couldn't be a better day really to start something new because Aries is always the first sign of the zodiac, is about new beginnings, and it represents the spring. So it's perfect, really. So the messages that came up today were really about using your intuition, remembering that we are connected to the higher realms, and so it's about also bringing back harmony and balance. And what is fair is very important, and you do have the capacity to be very powerful, but remember you are invested by the power of the cosmos. At this time, in your own life and in the world around us, there needs to be a restoration of balance, accountability, integrity, and a clear vision and a joint outcome for the future of everyone. So think about that as you go about the next month. Think about the fact that it is April, and it's about spring cleaning and getting rid of things that you no longer want in your life. So clutter clearing and getting rid of objects that are broken, or because that's really bad to have around you, or paperwork or clothes or general clutter. So this is a great time of the year to do that. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you a couple of weeks of astrology posts. And if you want to look at the last 2 weeks of the month, then please look at my Facebook page, Astrologer Sue Fletcher. So let's get off. So Monday today, we've got Pluto, which is the planet of transformation, making an opposition to the North Node. Now, the North Node is where we should be going in this lifetime. And this can work in two ways. Either you're drawn to something that is, drawing you towards your destiny, and that would be absolutely great. Or you may experience tension and a fascination towards something that's not quite right for you. So make sure that if you are drawn to something, it is right. And again, use that gut feeling and that intuition. So on Tuesday, the 2nd, tomorrow, we're going to have Mercury conjunct Neptune. So this is really good for creative visualization and the law of attraction. So anything that you want to bring into your life, visualize it and keep visualizing it, and ask the universe for it and keep asking the universe for it. Obviously, Mercury is about communication. Neptune is about vision. And so this is when your dreams could actually come true. This particular aspect enhances your imagination in anything creative. And take notice of your dreams and write them down because they may have a message for you. And then on Wednesday the 3rd, we're going to have Mars sextiling Uranus. So your intuition may be in top form on that day, and suddenly you are on a new path because that's what Uranus does, and Mars is about energy and drive. So suddenly you might be on a new path in a new direction and in the right place at the right time to take advantage of what lies ahead for you. So look out for that on Wednesday. And then on Thursday the 4th, we're going to have Mars sextiling Chiron. Now, a sextile is an easy aspect. Mars is about energy, as I just said, and Chiron is about your healing, or healing other people, or healing yourself. So it's a great day for healing yourself and others. And then we're going to have the moon sextiling Mars as well, and that gives you a head start on being assertive, because we're going to have a new moon in Aries on Friday, on the next day, on the 5th. So having this moon sextiling Mars, which rules Aries, gives you this head start on positive energy for the new moon. And then on the Friday, we have the new moon in Aries. And this is a time really to reset your goals, be assertive, go after what you want, and speak up for yourself and others as well. And then on Sunday, on the 7th, we're going to have Mercury sextiling Saturn. And you will be able to think and speak in a clear, logical way on that day. And you will be objective and strive for the truth. So that would be great on Sunday. If there's something you want to say, you'll be able to say it clearly and people will be able to understand you. Monday the 8th, the moon moves into Gemini till the Thursday morning, very early in the middle of the night. So communication should be good, and make sure people are not talking for the sake of talking, because the moon in Gemini can rub it on. Okay, and then on Wednesday the 10th, we're going to have the Sun squaring Saturn. Now, this can be a challenge. It indicates a challenging circumstances that you have to work through. But on the other hand, you've got Venus conjunct Neptune, and that can make you want to walk away from your responsibilities. So you've got two things going on that day that maybe holds you back from you moving forward. So watch out for that. On Thursday the 11th, we have Mercury sextile Pluto. So Mercury, communication, Pluto can be manipulation. So, but this is a sextile, so it can help with manipulation and battles of will. It's important to stay calm, be aware of what is happening, and just back off. And remember, you know, it won't be like that on Friday, on the Friday the 12th. So, you know, if that's happening, just stay calm. And then on Friday the 12th, we've got Mercury squaring Jupiter. Now, this is a square, so it's, you know, a challenge. So it might be that you have a struggle to stay positive, but it should pass quite quickly. And also on that day, we've got Venus sextiling Saturn, and that allows for fun and socializing with your work colleagues. Okay, and then on Saturday the 13th, we have the Sun squaring Pluto. So a bit more manipulation. It can be frustrating, you know, really frustrating if you know, are having anybody manipulate you, or you feel that, you know, you're being pushed against the wall. It's important really for you to stand up for yourself, especially if you're involved in a power struggle. And then on Sunday, that's the 14th, we're going to have the Sun trining Jupiter, which is a lovely aspect. So this is a feel-good day, bringing good things that seem to come out of nowhere without much effort. So we do end on a positive note. We do know that life goes up and down, peaks and troughs. So remembering that the aspects or the transits that I give you are maybe just to last one day. So the affirmation this week, hand on heart, every morning until we come back. I create a clear vision for a positive future for myself, my family, and the people who live on this planet. I create a clear vision for a positive future for myself, my family, and the people who live on this planet. You imagine if everybody was saying that, the energy would shift. You know, because we are all energy. So the only thing I've got to say is that, you know, if you want a chart reading and you are an Aries, or you want to buy one for somebody who's an Aries, I'm doing it for £85 instead of 95. I do 2 to 3 hours work, and then I see somebody for 90 minutes. So it's terrific value. I do put a lot in to what I'm doing. That's the Virgo that I've got in my chart. If you want to do any of my courses, I've got Life Purpose Revealed. At the moment, I've got some people on it, so that's really great. I'm helping people move forward. And I've got my astrology course as well. And up to date, I think I've sold 80 of those through Udemy, because I have that on a course platform. So if you need anything, just get in touch with me, and have a great month. Enjoy April, enjoy the sunshine, and I will see you at the beginning of May, the first Monday in May. Bye for now. Bye-bye.